If you are like most of us, you're busy living your life and just not interested in becoming an expert in investing. My goal is to show you that it is actually not hard to take control of your finances, save and invest wisely, and then get on with your life with a sound financial lifestyle that will support your dreams. You are going to learn how to correctly buy and hold a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds for the long term. Start by tuning out all the shows and newsletters that are trying to sell you something. For us, there's no better mentor than legendary mutual fund industry veteran John Bogle. We'll also incorporate the work of a few Nobel laureates and distinguished academics. Quite frankly, it's the advice I wish I heard when I was 25 years old. We'll develop 4 general principles as 10 simple rules. The first 2 rules are all about getting started and finding a way to save a portion of what you earn. Because if you can't do this, the other 8 rules are moot. There are some great tips in here, so I hope you'll find this useful. If starting to save now is the most important habit you need to form, the way that you then allocate this to stocks and bonds is the most important decision you need to make. Diversify your investments. I know you think you know what this means, but most people actually don't. These will be our next 3 rules. It's not hard, but since this is all about risk management and it is so important, take a listen and make sure you grasp these simple concepts. Small percentages make a huge difference over the course of our lifetime. Our next 3 rules will show you how you can keep what you earn by not giving it away in unnecessary fees and taxes. Our last rules will help you create a simple 1-page written plan, and that very action will help give you the discipline to stick with these time-proven rules that we'll now explore individually in more detail.